In the heart of this forest in central France, a digger is disturbing the peace. The rocky soil it's hammering has attracted scientists the world over, for beneath the surface are traces of a meteorite which landed over 200 million years ago.
We're in a corner at the bottom of the crater. We're about 10 meters down and we're crossing what we call an impact melt, a blend of materials fused together covering the bottom of the crater in which we can find enclaves of non-melted materials.
For the past 40 years, Philippe Lambert has been working on this specific astrobleem, a term given to the scar left by a cosmic collision. The samples he's studying might allow him to understand the origins not just of the asteroid, but also of planets of our solar system. In this small museum dedicated to the meteorite, there are no fragments of the astral body itself, but traces of its impact, melted and fractured rock. According to researchers, the asteroid had a circumference of around 2 kilometers and would have created a crater of over 20 kilometers.
Au niveau de la vitesse de l'impacteur,
the speed of impact was estimated around 20 kilometers per second, which is equivalent to 72,000 kilometers per hour. The force was so considerable that it vaporized on impact and provoked the destruction of all existing rock, melt, fusion, the expulsion and destruction of life in a perimeter of 200 kilometers.
The explosion was comparable to thousands of nuclear blasts and profoundly altered the landscape and later the local architecture. For thousands of years, residents have used the leftover rocks, called impactites, to build their houses, and even the Rochechouart castle, though it was only a few decades ago that their abundance and originality became a subject of research.
Everyone was still skeptical for a long time. I'm not even sure that everyone is convinced there was even a meteorite.
Doubts may remain, but organized tours are helping people to know more about this discovery, unique in France and rare in Europe. With scientists set to work on samples, the mysterious meteorite may contain clues as to the origin of life on Earth.